take a look here at Google Slides scenario 2. In this scenario, Florencio is the ELA teacher, and he's had them read Jurassic Park. So after they've read Jurassic Park, he's going to create a different version of Jurassic Park and have them navigate Jurassic Park using a create your own adventure story. In this case, where he puts part of the text, the original, and then at certain places, it's going to branch off into different options. One option could be the original storyline. Another one could be an alternative storyline, and the kids get to choose which direction they'd like to see the story go. Let's go over the basics of how to set this up here. So we'll start here. We have our title slide here. So I'm going to add another slide here, and I'm going to start here with the original version of the story here. So what I will say here is scientists from a company called InGen successfully clone dinosaurs using DNA found in amber. Okay, this is the original version here. So I'm going to go ahead and add another slide here. And this is where there's going to be a fork in the story. Okay, so some scientists are invited to visit the island to offer feedback before they open the park to tourists. So here's where the story is going to fork. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to come down here. I'll space down a little bit, and I'm going to put here what happens next. Here, option 1. Now here, option 2. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put option. The next slide's going to be option 1, and the slide after that will be option 2. So I'm going to add 2 slides, and so option 1 is going to read something like this: the visiting scientists approve of all the park's features and can't wait to see how much money it will make. Okay, so that's option 1. I'm going to do option 2 next in this case. This is a very simple, basic version of this. All of the scientists are appalled at what they see, and they sabotage the park. Dinosaurs escape and eat all of the humans on the island. Okay, so now we have our 2 separate little versions here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to option 1 here. When I highlight option 1, I come up here and I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose slides in this presentation here. So I'm going to do here, so in this case, slide number 4 would be option 1. I'm going to highlight option 2 here. And we're going to go Insert, Link, slides in this presentation, slide 5, it will link to that one. So what I'm going to do last here on both option 1 and option 2, we're going to put here continue. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to add a final slide here, which is they're all going to dovetail at the same one here, the end. A very simple, basic version of this, but you see the steps here. So I go here to continue, go to Insert, Link, slides in this presentation, slide 6, repeat that process. Let's go and test it out now. So if I go ahead and click on slideshow here, okay, choose your own adventure. Okay, everyone starts at the same common point here. Scientists from a company called InGen successfully cloned dinosaurs using DNA found in amber. So some scientists are invited to the island to offer feedback before they open the park to tourists. What happens next? I will choose option 2. All the dinosaurs are appalled at what they see and they sabotage the park. Dinosaurs escape and eat all the humans on the island. The end. Let's start again and try option 1 this time. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, read the first one. Now I'm going to click option 2. Visiting scientists approve of all the park's features and can't wait to see how much money it will make. The end. So in a nutshell, this is what a very basic version of what a choose-your-own-adventure story with Google Slides can look like.